So we will present our next proposal, which is in web, and that is clothing inventory management system for small businesses. First, company background. Fashion Flow Solutions specialize in building software tailored to the needs of small and medium-sized businesses in the fashion and apparel industry. Our goal is to simplify inventory management for clothing retailers and enable them to track stock efficiently and effectively. Ang Fashion Flow Solution ay isang kumpanya na nag-special na sa paggawa ng mga software solution sa mga pangangailangan ng maliit at katamtamang laki ng mga negosyo sa industriya ng fashion at apparel. Naunawaan namin ang mga natatanging hamon na kinakaharap ng mga retailer ng damit pagdating sa pagmamahala ng kanilang inventaryo. At ang aming layunin ay gawing mas simple, mabilis at epektibo ang prosesong ito. Sa pamagitan ng mga software solution na inaakma ng pangangailangan ng bawat negosyo, tinutulungan namin ang mga negosyo na mapadali ang kanilang operasyon, mababawasan ang mga error at makasabay sa kompetisyon ng merkado. Statement of the problem. Small clothing retailers face challenges in managing their inventory, such as inaccurate stock levels, that manually tracking inventory leads to error, overstock, or stock outs. Next, variation complexity. Tracking clothing items with multiple sizes, colors, and styles is difficult using traditional system. Time-consuming updates. Adjusting inventory level for returns, damaged items, or sales in labor intensity. Next is inadequate forecasting. Limited tools to predict seasonal demand for clothing. System capabilities. The clothing inventory management system will address this issue by real-time stock monitoring, track stock levels for clothing items including size and color variations with automatic updates. Second, SKU, stocking keeping unit. Management assign unique SKUs for each product variation to simplify tracking. Low stock alerts notify users when inventory falls below a specified threshold. Inventory adjustment. Enable easy updates for returns, damaged item, or stocking. Category management. Organize items into categories: shirts, dresses, accessories for better oversight. Reporting and insight. Provide detailed reports on inventory turnover, best-selling item, and stock.
Business systems objectives. Number 1, accurate inventory tracking. Maintain real-time visibility of stock levels across all sizes, colors, and styles. Dito naman, dapat alam mo kung gaano karami ang bawat stocks na meron ka. Eliminate discrepancies between physical inventory and system records. Next, reduce manual counting and minimize human error. Dito, bawasan ang pagmamanual counting para maiwasan ang pagkakamali. 2. Efficient order processing. Automate order entry processing and fulfillment to minimize manual task. Dito, pwede ka rin gumamit ng system upang mapadali ang pag-process ng mga produkto at maiwasan ang manual. Next, reduce order turnaround times and enhance customer satisfaction. Siguraduhin mabilis ang pagdi-deliver ng mga produkto sa customer. 3. Optimal stock levels. Prevent stockouts of popular items and minimize overstocking of slow-moving items. It means mag-stock ka ng maraming items na mabilis maubos at iwasan ang pag-overstock ng mga slow-moving items or mabagal maubos. Balance inventory levels with customer demand to maximize sales and minimize carrying cost. Dapat dito, siguraduhin na mayroon kang sapat na inventory para sa mga in-demand ng mga customers. 4. Cost reduction. Lower storage and handling cost by minimizing excess inventory. Siguraduhin na ang iyong inventaryo ay tumutugma sa pangangailangan ng mga customer. Reduce waste from outdated stock by identifying slow-moving items and implementing appropriate strategies. Bawasan ang pag-stock ng mga produkto na hindi madaling maubos at magkaroon ng plano ay para makatipid sa gastos. 5. Improve decision making. Generate detailed reports and analytics to gain insight into sales trends, inventory performance, and customer behavior. Gumawa ng mga details para malaman kung ano ang mga kailangan gawin para mas mapabuti ang benta. Minimize delays in order fulfillment and use this data to make informed decisions about purchasing, pricing, and promotions. Magplano ng mga diskarte sa pagbibenta batay sa mga details na nakuha. Last, enhance customer experience. Ensure that customers can consistently find the products they want in the sizes and colors they need. Dito naman, ensure mo ang mga pangangailangan ng customers. Last, minimize delays in order fulfillment and provide accurate information about stock availability. Magbigay ng mga maayos na serbisyo at impormasyon sa mga customer. Dito tayo sa features and functionalities. Number 1, inventory tracking. Dito nabibilong ang real-time stock updates, meaning dapat alam mo ang galaw ng iyong produkto kada oras. Low inventory alerts, barcode or SKU management, inventory adjustment, and inventory reports. Sa barcode naman, dito is mas mapabilis or mas masubaybayan ng mga customers ang iyong product or binibenta. Sales management, point of sale or POS integration, order management, invoicing, transaction tracking, and sales reports. Sa purchase management naman, ito ay purchase order creation, supplier management, automated reorder points. Sa reporting and analytics, automated reports, customizable reports, and data visualization. Sa integration, dito ang third-party tools, payment gateways, ERP software, e-commerce platforms, and API integration. Design concept. The system aimed at simplifying inventory tracking, restocking, and sales management for the small business owners. It should be intuitive, user-friendly, and accessible across devices like desktop, tablet, and mobile. It ensures flexibility and convenience for small business owners, allowing them to manage their operations seamlessly from anywhere and anytime. Meaning naman, ang sistema ay naglalayong gawing mas madali ang pagsusubaybay sa inventaryo, pag-restock, at pamamahala ng benta para sa maliit na negosyo. Dapat itong madaling maunawaan or user-friendly at naa-access sa iba't ibang device tulad ng desktop, tablet, or mga cellphone. Para masiguro ang kakayahang umangkop at kaginhawaan para sa mga maliliit na negosyante. Sa ganitong paraan, makokontrol nila ang kanilang mga operasyon ng maayos mula saan man at anumang oras.
Prototypes in wireframes. Dashboard displays an overview of inventory levels, recent sales, and alerts of low stock item. Product listing shows a sortable table of products with the details of like SKU, name, category, quantity, and price. Stock management features for adding new products, updating existing ones, and recording stock adjustments. Sales tracking monitors sales transaction, customer information, and generates sales and reports generates insights on inventory turnover, sales performance, and stocking needs. Assumption: all required inventory data such as product details, sales records will be provided accurately by the business. The system will initially focus on internal staff usage with potential future enhancements for customer or vendor access. Necessary technological resources including devices and software licenses will be readily available for implementation and operation. End users will undergo basic training sessions to familiarize themselves with the system interface and features. The business will allocate time and personnel testing and feedback during development and deployment phases.